do a really quick review on the heat mat. I actually got this today from Amazon. It is the 12 by 12 mat. My EasyPress is actually the 9 by 9 EasyPress. I don't know, I think it would make more sense to have more areas if I'm doing a bigger logo or if I'm doing a bigger picture on anything. So I've just used it to finish a project and it works great. I like the size of it, so I'm very pleased and I'm happy I got the bigger one. So just to show you, I got the EasyPress for Christmas from my husband. Was not expecting it. It came with this little canvas bag. It looks like it has glitter on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it's got glitter on it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. And I think it's gonna heat up. It's red, so I think she's heating herself up. Oh, there she goes. So for this starter project, it says that you need to have set at 290, and then we're going to press for 30 seconds, which is already set to that. But it wants me to flatten or iron this out first, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pretty good. I might give it another go. I really did kind of ball this up before. Back to the base. And this looks a lot better. A bit flatter. Okay. So I did what I did. So we're going to position our little Cricut with little, this is so cute, on the bag. I'm assuming we're just gonna put it in the middle. I guess you could put it literally anywhere that you want. So I'm just gonna place it right in the center. Okay, what it wants you to do is to center where you want it. So I think that's pretty good. If not, it's okay. I'm not bothered. And then we're gonna grab our EasyPress and then I'm gonna sit it on top. Actually, I wanna use my pinky to start the timer. And just light pressure on top. I'm pressing, but I'm not pressing too hard. I guess the same pressure as if you're ironing, but not crazy ironing, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, back to the base. Flip, you want to flip the bag over. And then it wants you to go ahead and press it for 15 seconds on this side. Hit the clock and go down to 15. There we go. Now we're set for 290 at 15 seconds. All right, so when it's still warm, it actually wants you to see if any of the vinyl, if the sheet's coming off, the carrier. So carrier is coming off. Lovely. Looks great. Cool, huh? So, my final thoughts on this, I would say that I think it's a great machine and it's a lot easier than using an iron. I've used the glitter HTV and it is a pain in the butt to stick to things. So this is great. I'm excited to see what I can make with all this stuff. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. It's just a short video, a tutorial on how to use your new Cricut EasyPress if you have one. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.